everyone, welcome back to Let's Code to be a Java Programmer. And today is day 8 of our coding journey. In today's session, we'll explore conditional statements in Java, focusing on the if-else statement. Conditional statements allow your program to make decisions based on certain conditions. Let's get started. Conditional statements helps to control the flow of your program based on certain conditions. Now let me explain this control flow based on real-time example. Now let's say you're driving in a bike on a road, okay? So when there is a red signal, you are supposed to stop. And then when there is a green signal, you are supposed to move. So based on the condition of red and the green signal, your vehicle either stops or continues to move. Am I right? So the base thing follows here in this concept of control flow under the conditional statements. Okay. So now let's see how the conditional statements work using the if else. Okay, so now let's say I have integer. Okay, now let's say if x is greater than 10, system so only if the x is greater than 10, it should print the x value. Okay, so now will the x value be printed or not? Let's see. No, because the x value is not greater than 10. Now let me change the sign. Now let's see if the x value is printed or not. Yes, it is printed because the x value is less than 10 and it is based on the condition. Now let's print whether it is an even or odd number. Now how we will find whether a number is even or odd? When it is divided by 2, the remainder must be equal to 0. So only when the remainder is equal to 0, it is an even number. It is an even number. Okay? Yes. So else what it will be printing? It is an odd number. Now let's run. Yes, 5 is obviously an odd number, and based on the condition, it has printed the statement. So this is how the if-else statement works. Now, since here under if we have only one single statement, we are we are not adding the curly braces. Now, when we have two statements under if, you are supposed to put curly braces there, okay? You are supposed to put a curly braces when there is more than one statement under if, and also the same goes here. Now let me tell why there is more than two statements under if, or else we are supposed to put the curly braces. Yes. So now let me just remove the curly brace and show you. Okay, now I have removed the curly braces and let me show you the output. Yeah, I haven't. It is giving us an error because else without if. So it gives us an error. So put we are supposed to put curly braces if there is more than one statement under else or if. Okay, so this is the reason. Now let me remove this. Now let me show you what happens if I don't put else. Okay, if I don't put else, what happens is both the statement obviously gets printed because there is no condition. Sorry, not both the statement, the one which is outside if. Now if I put curly braces, then both the statement doesn't get printed. Yes. So I hope you have understood why we are supposed to put curly braces if there is more than one statement under if, else, and how you can perform only if statement in a program and how you can perform both if and else in a program, but you cannot perform only else without an if. Okay, so that's it today. We have covered the basics of if-else statements in Java. Just spend 15 minutes practicing with different conditions. See how you can control the flow of your programs. Tomorrow we'll dive deeper into more advanced topics in Java. Thank you for joining me on day 8 of Let's Code to be a Java programmer. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified about our daily coding sessions. See you tomorrow for day 9. Happy coding!